The plains, okay? So today we'll learn about the plains. From tomorrow, Miss Sarifa will come to teach you. As because Miss Sarifa is a little sick nowadays, so Miss Sarifa couldn't come. So that's why I am taking your classes. I mean Miss Safari is taking your classes, but from tomorrow Sarifa will come.
Sarifa is not getting any COVID and all that. Actually, she's a little sick, and that's why she will not come. But she will come for tomorrow because she's now fit and she's now fine.
Okay, so from tomorrow she will come to our office and she will teach you. Okay, so the plains. Okay, so the northern plains. Oh no, not from tomorrow, from next week. Okay, because now this is the last class of this week, and so tomorrow and so next week, okay, where Miss Sarifa will come. So the plains. So the northern plains run parallel to the Himalayas, from Punjab in the west to Assam in the east. So from where does the northern plain run? From Punjab in the west to Assam in the east. So northern plains are the most fertile regions of the world. So the Ganga, Brahmaputra, Indus, Satluj rivers flow through the northern plains. Those rivers are mainly fed by melting snow in the Himalayas. So the glaciers which are present in this Himalayas, these glaciers melt to form these rivers. These rivers bring them a fine soil called silt or alluvium. Okay, so this is a very fine soil found in this Indo-Gangetic plains. Okay. This alluvium soil is very fertile. So the main rivers have several tributaries or smaller rivers joining them. So an area watered by a river and its tributaries is called a basin. So what's the definition of a basin? An area watered by a river and its tributaries is known as the basin. In India we have three basins. The Satluj basin in the west, the Ganga basin in the middle, and the Brahmaputra basin in the east. So now the Satluj basin. We'll learn first about the Satluj basin. Though Punjab, the river Satluj, through Punjab, the river Satluj and its tributaries flow towards the southwest and join Indus River in Pakistan. So through Punjab, the river Satluj and its tributaries flow to the southwest to join Indus River in Pakistan. The Indus finally flows into the Arabian Sea. The Bhagra Nangal Dam has been built over the Satluj River. It provides electricity and water for the people of Punjab and Haryana and many dry areas of Rajasthan. Okay. So the Ganga basin next. The Ganga originates from the glacier Gangotri. In the mountains, it is fed by several tributaries such as the Alaknanda, Mandakini and the Bhagirathi, and then enters into plains, which joins the tributary rivers Gandak, Ghagra, Kosi and Gomti to this Ganga basin. After flowing through Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, the Ganga enters West Bengal. The Ganga is spread across Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. This delta made by the Ganga and Brahmaputra is the largest in the world. This is known as the Sundarban deltas. So what is the Sundarban delta? The delta made by the Ganga and Brahmaputra where it's draining into the Bay of Bengal. So you must have thinking that in Delhi also we have Ganga, but no, in Delhi we do not have Ganga. Okay, sadly, because we have Yamuna over there. Okay, not Ganga, Yamuna. And in Uttarakhand you have Ganga, but that's Pahadi Ganga. Okay, so we don't consider it. So Brahmaputra basin. The Brahmaputra is the longest of the three great rivers in North India. It's in Tibet it is known as Sangpo. So we have it in Tibet also, but it's like what to say, like Ganga only, it's Pahadi Brahmaputra at that time, okay, not in the plains. So we don't consider it. So the Brahmaputra basin is a narrow strip in the state of Assam. The river basin is a wide land area made by the parts of India, Tibet, Bhutan, Nepal and Bangladesh. So in India we have only the northeast India. So now the Sangpo enters India through Arunachal Pradesh and flows through Assam into Bangladesh. So Sangpo enters India through which state? Arunachal Pradesh, and then flows through Assam and into Bangladesh. And it before flowing into Bay of Bengal, it forms Sundarban Delta with the Padma River, which is also in Bangladesh. Now, about the Ganga Basin, I have something to say. In Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, the Ganga Basin is there, as well as in West Bengal. But as we enter, as the Ganga enters West Bengal, it gets divided into two parts, and the main stream of Ganga, that is Padma. The Padma River flows into Bangladesh, and another, there is a narrower strip which is there. It passes through this this India, and it passes to West Bengal. Okay. So now, people in the northern plains. Let's start. First, we have Punjab. The agrarian land of Punjab is fed by Satluj, Ravi, and Bias rivers. This land produces so much wheat, as it is called, as is known as the wheat bowl of India. So, if you are asked what is the wheat bowl of India, we would like to say Punjab. And if you are asked what is the rice bowl of India, then what would you say? The Indo-Gangetic plains. Okay. So, people speak Punjabi and Hindi. Okay, and is the main language of Punjab. Okay. So, Bhangra and Gidda are the popular folk dances of Punjab. So, every state has its own folk dance. Okay. So, yes, Punjab also has, and then Bhangra and Gidda. Okay. Now, Haryana land is very fertile and is situated in the Satluj basin. People love sports as Kusti and Kabaddi and speak Haryanvi. Okay, Haryanvi, not Haryani, but Haryanvi as a dialect. So, people love sports such as Kusti and Kabaddi over here, and Haryanvi is a dialect which is spoken. Now, Delhi, people from all states of India live in Delhi. Delhi is the capital of India. The president, the prime minister, and all the cabinet ministers lives here. There are historical monuments such as Red Fort, Jama Masjid, Qutub Minar, etc. People speak Hindi, English, and Punjabi over here. So, Uttar Pradesh is situated in the Ganga basin. So, it's a very fertile and thickly populated state. Leather products of Kanpur, Moradabad's metal artwork, and Lucknow's chikunkari are very famous. People mainly speak Hindi. Now, Bihar, the soil in Bihar is extremely fertile, which makes it ideal for the agro-based industrial area. Hindi, Urdu, and Maithili are the main languages. Chhath is an important festival. Jharkhand is very rich in mineral deposits such as coal, iron, copper, aluminium ores. The capital of this new state is known as Ranchi. First of all, it was bounded with Uttar Pradesh only, but then we had it called Ranchi. So, West Bengal is a long coastline. Fishing is an important occupation of this region. Jute, textile, silk industries are in this state as well as developed. People speak Bengali and Hindi. Bengali and English. Durga Puja is the most important festival. So, Assam has huge deposits of petroleum, tea plantation, refining oil, sericulture, handicrafts are the most important industries of Assam. People speak Assamese. Their main festival is Bihu. Okay. So, we've learned about all the new festivals, the capitals of the state, what they are famous for, what occupation the people has. Okay. Your work is to just which states earlier I told you about northern mountains also. Just make a list and then make a table of what their occupation is, which kind of climate they are facing, what is their main festivals, etc. Okay.